Spring Cleanse, Nutrition and Health Workshop with Maggie Fekete. Enjoy a holistic approach to cleansing and lightening the body in the season of spring. Maggie will be drawing from her background as a nutritionist, health coach, and holistic practitioner to ensure you have the tools needed for a successful spring cleanse of your temple. At the Arena District Athletic Club, we offer a monthly complimentary community event. Visit maggiefekete.com/events to register. We offer complimentary validated parking for the Neal Avenue Garage at the corner of New Public Lane and 300 Neal Avenue in Columbus, Ohio. An unloading zone is at our club entrance, Daniel Burnham Square. Please note, registration is limited.